The article I chose is a systematic research study entitled Benzodiazepines versus Placebo for Panic Disorders in Adults. Researchers included 24 studies in the review with a total of 4,233 participants. 2,124 were randomized to benzodiazepines and 1,475 to the placebo. The overall methodological quality of the included studies was poor. They rated all studies as an unclear risk of bias in at least 3 domains. In addition, they judged 20 of the 24 included studies as having a high risk of bias in at least 1 domain. However, 2 primary outcomes of efficacy and acceptability showed a possible advantage of benzodiazepines over the placebo. The estimated risk ratio for a response to treatment was 1.65. 95% confidence interval, which was 1.39 to 1.96, in favor of benzodiazepines, which corresponds to an estimated number needed to treat for an additional beneficial outcome number needed to treat of 4. So 95% of confidence interval was 3 to 7, so it was a 4. The dropout rate was lower among participants treated with benzodiazepines, risk ratio being 0.50, 95% confidence interval of 0.39 to 0.64. The estimated number needed to treat was 6, and the confidence interval was 5 to 9. So the possible advantage of benzodiazepines was also seen for remission, risk ratio of 1.61. 95% confidence interval is 1.38 to 1.88. However, the number of dropouts due to adverse effect was higher with the benzodiazepines than with the placebo, a risk ratio of 1.58 and 95% confidence interval of 1.16 to 2.15, low quality evidence.